Very good morning, sir. I hope this video finds you in good health. Here I am going to explain my soft actor critic algorithm explanation. Um, so, I will begin. The first part is the buffer.py. So, what happens is that whenever you are playing a lot of parts, what happens is that your memory can overflow. So this will actually cause your computer to get crashed. So to avoid it, we use a buffer.py to manage the memory in your system. So here it can store a transition and it can sample out a particular buffer. And now we move on to the networks.py. Here I have quoted all those networks of the soft actor critic. The first one is the critic network, the next is the value network, and the last one is the actor network. So what this does is that the critic network actually tells the actor, okay, this is actually bad, and the actor makes the judgment based upon the value network. So when it is initialized, we have the initial parameters, and then we have like forward pass, and it saves the itself in the memory by this functions. The same is for the value network. It is initialized, and then we have forward passes of this network, and it saves itself in the memory. The same is for the actor network too, and that's all. So the actor network samples the normal distribution, and this is implemented as per that it was given in the paper, as it was given in the paper. So this is a soft actor critic implementation. So what this does is, so networks.py stored themselves in the buffer, and soft actor critic implementation does is that it has a class agent. So this is a class that is interacting with all the three agents that are the actor, value, and the critic. So while creating out an agent class, for each agent there is a value network. There are two critic networks and actor network. So actor network chooses the what action to take. Value network is the values of the particular states, and the critic. So as per the implementation in the paper, there were like two critic networks. So that's what I have implemented here. So this particular function actually chooses which action to go for, and it stores the particular state action. So this function is used for updating the network parameters, and this is saving the model. So the saving the model means that it actually saves all those particular vector, value, and critic in the memory. And this is the most important part of our actor, where it is learning. So as you can see, here we are calculating the loss as given according to the paper, and we are optimizing it. And similarly, we are calculating the new policies here, and here we are calculating the actor loss and optimizing it. Here we are calculating the critics, and accordingly we are updating the old policies. And here we are calculating the critic loss. So the idea behind taking the two critics was like we give the half of the weightage to the loss that is for the critic, and the half of the weightage to the loss that is for the second critic, and the total critic loss is just the sum of the two, and we again back propagate it and optimize the both, and finally we update the network parameters. So main function is the function which actually runs all of this in a PyBullet environment, and it goes like it loads it actually creates an agent with environment and all that, and it runs all the games and it saves. As you can see, it chooses out some particular action, it remembers it, and it calculates the score, and so far it shows the average score and the number of the games played. So let me just quickly go show through the results. As you can see, the number of the games played are up 256, and these are the results of the games played. So the agent is not performing the quite good in the first iteration. So this is when I reduce the number of the games to just 50, and these are the results. As you can see, and in particular episode, this was the highest score, and this was up till now the average score, and the agent saves the model. Yeah, this is one of the finest results. So as you can see, after approximately 200 games played, the agent learns how to play it perfectly. And because of the exploration part here, agent tries to explore something else and it drops significantly. Its performance drops significantly. And just after that, okay, it learns that this wasn't a good move, and after that, it just falls back to its initial policy. Yeah, that's from my side. Thanks for watching.